is pitching us. Sasha? Yes,
Hello.
we're ready. 3 minutes from now.
Okay, thank you. Hello, I'm Sasha, founder and CEO of XaaSfarm. Our startup was founded last year in October, and we want to make IoT cheaper and bring Industry 4.0 to the next level. For that, we analyze sound data with artificial intelligence to improve industry processes. This here is an optical microphone. It's going to be important soon. But first of all, I want to introduce to you our customer, Mr. Meyer. Mr. Meyer is an owner of a large production company for pencils. And he has the problem that his machines fails a lot, and he doesn't know why. So let's see how we can help him. At first, we always go to our customer site to watch the machines and get everything to know about the process. Then our sound engineers will record all the noises and sound which are around to get the best position for our microphone. I already told you, this small guy gets important soon. So how will we start our process? To start our analysis, Mr. Meyer will start his production process, and we will capture all the sound data. Done. The thing is, these sound data are huge, too huge to work with them directly. So we invented an innovative algorithm which will filter and compress these data so that we can work with them. Also done. Finally, we can analyze this data with our SOT AI, which is based on machine learning. Also done. So unfortunately, because of Corona, we cannot visit Mr. Meyer today, but you are lucky. Here we have a small model where you can see our process setup. So again, we need our optical microphone from our hardware partner, Sarion. I will stick it to the machine. And by the way, you will also see here an acoustical microphone. And I can tell you, size matters. Because the acoustical microphone can only recognize what humans hear. So from about 40 to 18,000 hertz. But the optical microphone can recognize sound from 1 to 1 million hertz. So before starting this grinding machine, safety first. And you should also cover your ears because it's getting loud now. So while this pencil was grinded, you could see the sound waves on the tablet. But what can we do with these sound data? So with our visual analysis, we are able to plan maintenance intervals and to implement predictive maintenance in the industry field. But this is just one use case of many. We also have experience with traffic surveillance, where we can collect data, detect cars, and also count cars. And by the way, when I say cars, we also have experience with mounting microphones in cars to enhance autonomous driving. So our platform is up and running. In the cloud, local and hybrid. Corona is over soon. Let's get started.
Wow. Sasha, you definitely blew me away with your energy. I drink to that. Size matters. Jury, what's your opinion on XaaSfarm? We have 2 2s, a 1, a 3, and a 2 from the pitch doctor. Come on, okay. Next startup, thank you very much.